Welcome to the mindful art activity called Wandering Wisdom. Please feel free to set up as you pause this video with pen, markers, and paper. As we begin, please take a comfortable seat, relax your arms and shoulders, and take a nice deep breath as we ground ourselves in this present moment and let go of anything that may prevent you from being present here and now. When you are ready, please open your eyes and begin to draw the circles. You may follow along as I draw on the video as well. Remember to breathe and simply notice how you feel. I don't know about you, but I feel a little bit more relaxed. One of my favorite activities is doodle and color. No outcome. Well, you have a sheet at the end or maybe even at the middle. But the outcome is so much less important than how we feel right now. So my suggestion to you is to possibly finish this on your own time. Maybe small snippets in your day where you can put on some non-lyric music and start to begin to think of this as precious time. Notice any moments during this coloring activity when you might have started to think it was a waste of time. It's possible. Many people feel that way about this particular activity. And that's sort of ingrained in us. But think for a moment about the benefits of breathing, taking a moment with color, and just letting go of the outcome. Notice how you feel afterwards. And this is a practice, so possibly consider being curious about this as an ongoing practice, and notice how you feel the third, the fourth, the fifth time, and see if there's any progress. The goal is really to feel differently from beginning to end. To go from maybe chaos to calm, maybe unfocused to more focused, maybe stressed to a little less stressed, maybe more than a little less stressed. So if we let go of the expectation and just get a little curious about how this might be beneficial to you or someone that you're working with, that would be my recommendation. This has benefited hundreds of people that I've worked with over the years, and I've been using this for several decades. Enjoy.